Hello guys, welcome back to the Future Internet Cafe. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Catherine and I'll be your guide throughout this video. Thank you so much for 300 subscribers. So let's take it to 1000. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share a video that has helped you. So in today's video, we are going to look at how to register a business name in Kenya. This is an updated tutorial because BRS updated their portal. So first step first, go to eCitizen.go.ke. As you can see on your screen, that's how the official website looks like, and click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your email address or ID number and enter your password, then click on sign in. It's going to open your eCitizen account. That is how it looks like. Confirm the details are correct so that you make sure you're applying using your own account. So scroll down and choose BRS, Business Registration Services. Again, it's going to ask you to confirm that you're signing in with your own details. If they are correct, click on continue. If not, click on log out and then repeat the process again. Okay, so it's going to open the BRS page portal. This is how it looks like. As I said, this is an updated tutorial because they updated their portal. So click on here, the one that is circled in red, okay, to access the new portal. Okay, so it's going to open the new BRS portal and this is how it looks like. Once you get to that page, click on sign in again. Again, it's going to ask you to confirm that you're signing in using your details. If they are correct, click on continue. If not, log out and repeat the process again. So it's going to open the BRS portal. This is how the new portal looks like. Click on Companies Registry Services, okay, and click on Proceed, okay. So under Companies Registry Services, click on Proceed. So it's going to open the new portal for business registration services, and this is how it looks like. These are all the services that it offers. As we said, today we are going to look at how to register a business name. So under registration of a business name, click on apply. So the first step is to enter your proposed business name. You should enter three of them. So choose three of the best ones that you have. And the first one is the one that will automatically be chosen. So make sure you start with your best one. As for affiliated to an existing entity, it means is the business that you want to register now associated with another existing business, okay? So if not, click on no. If yes, click on yes, and then it will ask you the details of the other existing businesses. Please note that the two fields are mandatory, the one for the proposed name and the one for the affiliated to an existing entity. So choose your three best names and choose whether they are existed to another existing business. Once you're done, click on next. So the next step is to enter the applicant details, you as the applicant, okay? So choose your capacity. Are you a proprietor or are you representing someone? Enter your address, your postal code, and then click on next. So the third stage is to choose the nature of your business. So if the nature of your business does not exist in the nature of business category, you can always choose other and then describe what kind of a business it is you're registering. So once you're done, click on next. The choose file is optional. It depends on the type of business you're opening. For example, if you're registering a school, you'll need to upload a file from Ministry of Education or TVET if it's a higher institution. So make sure you choose the correct nature of your business as it applies to your own business. So once you're done, click on next. So the next stage is to enter the registered office address of your business. So make sure you fill all those details. They are mandatory. The ones with a star or an asterisk, all fields are mandatory. So make sure you answer all of them. Once you're done, click on next. So the next step is to enter the ownership information, the owner of the business, okay? So click on add proprietor. Once you click on add proprietor, it's going to ask you to choose an ID type, Kenyan citizen, foreign, local company, or any other legal person. So for this case, I'm assuming that you who is registering the business, you're the owner and you're a Kenyan citizen. So choose Kenyan citizen. So once you choose Kenyan citizen, it's going to ask you to enter the ID number of the owner and their first name. Once you do that, click on search. The other fields are going to auto-populate based on the details of the ID number of the registered person. So once you do that, scroll down, upload a passport photo of the owner and enter their contact details. Additionally, enter their physical address. All fields are mandatory, especially the ones with a star or an asterisk, okay, the red star thingy. So once you're done, click on save. So congratulations, you're almost done. So the next step is to download the BN form and fill it and scan it. By fill it, I mean you're supposed to sign it and then scan and upload. So to download it, click on here, the one circled in red. So this is how the form looks like. The place where you're supposed to sign is the one circled in red where I have put the red square, okay? That's where you're supposed to enter your signature. So first of all, confirm that all the details are correct. If they are not, you can always go back and edit where there was an error. Then download the form again and come sign. So here where I have put the red square, it's where you're supposed to sign, okay? Now, the below part of the BN2 form, the statutory declaration, you're only supposed to sign there if you are more than two people in that business and two of you are not available to sign, okay? So if your partner is not available to sign, that's when you sign as the statutory declaration. Please note, you're not supposed to sign here if it's a sole proprietorship business, since you can sign for yourself. But if you are more than two partners and one is not available to sign, that is where you sign here. But if you are more than one person and all of you are available to sign, then you sign under signature at the first part where there is name, nationality, gender, other business, and signature. So under signature, that's where you're supposed to enter your signature, okay? Not under the statutory declaration. The statutory declaration is only in cases where you are more than one person in the business and one of you or two of you are not available to sign. Okay, so once you have signed the form, scan it and come and upload it. To upload it, click on choose file and it will upload. If you made an error, click on clean and repeat the process. So once you're done and everything is under satisfaction, click on next. So the next step is declaration. So confirm that all the information you entered is that was required, you entered it and it's correct to your knowledge, okay? So click on declaration and then click on preview. So once you click on preview, you're going to see all the details that you entered, your best names, okay? And also confirm that the names of the proprietors are correct, the form is the correct one, the declaration you declared. So once you make sure that everything is okay, click on complete. So the next stage is payment. The fee applicable is 950 shillings. So choose your payment method. I have circled M-Pesa here because that was the option, the payment option that we used. But choose the one that applies to you. You can choose from all of the available options depending on the one you are comfortable paying with and make your payment of 950 Kenyan shillings. So once you are done, back at the home page, there is make application, businesses, corrections, or application history. So if your business application has a correction, then you see it under corrections. To see your businesses, then you come under businesses. This is where you're going to see all the businesses that you have registered. Okay, so you can always come back home and check out the menu to see the status of your registered business name. Again, under application history, you are going to see the status of your registered business name. What status is it at? For the case of this one, it's a draft because it was for the purpose of this tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or share with someone who it will help. So thank you for watching. My name is Catherine and I have been your guide throughout this video.